Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a browser tab icon on Shopify, or in other words, how you can change and add a favicon to your site. So let's get right into it. Now, favicons are, as I've mentioned, the images that appear on your tabs. When a tab is open on a certain site, there's an image next to it, which is the favicon. You can also add this and it'll show up on your browser results whenever you search for something, but that is pretty much it. Now, to add this, you just need to enter your theme settings and change it from there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Now, as you can see, currently I am on my main home page of my Shopify store, and what you need to do is go into online store. From here, you're going to be taken into themes and just click on customize next to the theme that you're using or that you plan on using in the future. Now, if you have several themes, you're going to have to change this for each of them, but once you do, just go into theme settings. Once you enter the customization menu, click on logo, and the bottom option is going to be the favicon image. Now you can add whatever you want. This is just a placeholder or a royalty-free image that I found through the Shopify gallery. You can click change on this and select a new one if you want to connect dynamic sources as well, or you can remove it just so that you can, be rid of it pretty much. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You'll just have the option to either upload your own image or select one from the library, as I have. And once you're done with that, once you set everything up to your specifications, that is all you have to do. Just click save in the top right over here, and that's going to be pretty much it. And yeah, that's all I have to tell you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.